quiz 1. The first thing you need to do is put your name on your paper. Then the first direction is write an equation and solve the problem. So you need to have a multiplication or a division problem for each problem on this page. Number 1, a 3-story apartment building has a total of 24 apartments. There are the same number of apartments on each floor. How many apartments would there be on one floor? There are 2 numbers in this problem. Figure out the 2 numbers. Write a multiplication or division problem to solve. You can draw a picture if you need to. Number 2, Marcus puts shoes on 5 horses at his family's farm. How many horseshoes does Marcus put on the horses altogether? There are 2 numbers in this problem as well. You need to find the 2 numbers and write a multiplication or division problem for this question. Number 3, the 14 players on the basketball team line up in 2 equal rows to practice passing. How many players are there in each row? You can draw a picture to help you solve this problem. You need to write a multiplication or division sentence and solve. Number 4, Marla uses 4 cups of chicken stock for some soup she is cooking. There are 8 ounces in each cup. How many ounces of chicken stock does Marla use? You can draw a picture for this one as well, and then write a multiplication or division problem to solve. Number 5, show the area of this rectangle in square units. Before you turn your paper over, make sure that you have labels on all of your questions 1 through 5. Strategy check 3. Number 1, Rashawn knows the multiplications 6 times 4 and 2 times 4. How can he use their products or the answers to find 8 times 4? Number 2, Reuben puts 4 buttons on each puppet. He used 20 buttons for 5 puppets. He needs to put buttons on 3 or more puppets. How many buttons does he need for all 8 puppets? Number 3, what multiplication problem can you use to find 21 divided by 3? Number 4, find the area of the large rectangle. Explain. You have 2 sections of your rectangle, so think about how many multiplication problems you're going to have to write for those 2 sections, and then write the multiplication problems out and the answer, and then solve and explain your answer. Make sure you go back and check number 1 and 2 and number 4 should all have a label on your answer. When you are finished, raise your hand and I'll come look at your quiz and pick it up.